We're back. Here's the tank, and here is this big stain runs around here, and it takes a little bit of effort, but bugs are out here. This is what came out. It's got rusty buildup. The grommet is hard as a rock. Well, not really. Maybe an igneous rock, I don't know, but it's not very good. The little strainer is good. If I can just get a grommet, I'll see if I can find something online, but it's rusted, so it definitely needs cleaning up. If not, this is fairly thick. I think I could probably tap that with a pipe thread tap and just put a brass fitting in it, and then put an inline cutoff somewhere further down the line. The only thing it wouldn't have would be a little strainer, but I might be able to squeeze one of them little baby strainers in there somewhere. We'll make it work. We're gonna make it work. So I'm gonna probably not waste my time driving around looking for this. I will probably just go online and see if I can find it. I've got a few mower places I deal with online for small engine supplies, so we'll see what I can come up with. Probably Amazon. You can probably buy a box of them for $2 or something. Who knows? But until then, that's where we're going to leave off. And yes, I will put new fuel line on it. So we'll get this old girl running better. She ran pretty good when I first bought her, but just been plagued with fuel problems. You know, anything about fuel problems, ethanol and all that garbage, you know, it can just make your day miserable. So we're going to get her going. I'm going to start cleaning this one up. I don't know if I'll repaint this whole tractor or not, but I see my drag link just fell off. That's nice. I just noticed that. So that's going to get fixed too now. Anyway, we'll talk to you later. Bye.